Construction lines of the type you see here are very advantageous when you are laying out a design, but when it comes to final presentation of the design, you won't want them visible. One option, one way to deal with them is just to select a whole group of them and then move them to another layer. So what I'm going to do now is go to the layer tool, and I will make a new layer and click in here, and I'll call it construction. And hit enter so we burn it in. I'm actually in the habit of changing, I don't really know why, of changing the colour of that to a yellow or an orange. And so we now have a construction layer. That's just a personal preference. So we're done. Now we can come back here and select all of those lines, and over here in the properties box, which is why I like to have it up all the time, it's a simple matter to move all of those to the construction layer, and this one here too should be moved to the construction layer, and that's now done. So it becomes an easy matter to switch to that construction layer, or switch to the layer tool rather, find that construction layer. Notice that if you use capital letters, they'll often bob up out of alphabetical order, but not in this particular case. You can actually change your alphabetical order by clicking up in this zone, but I digress. So what I want to do now is just turn off the construction lines here, and after the drawing regenerates, those lines should no longer be visible, and so that when we go to plot and print and form a layout of this, they won't bother us. But they're crucially important. You just need to be able to turn them on or off at will.